So our next pattern for our cha-cha is what's called a crossover. So we're starting with our basic step, which is a side and a rock step, 3 steps, chasse, cha-cha-cha. Now from here, we're going to go into what we call a crossover. So we pivot and we step. Man steps left foot across, forward, lady right foot across, forward. And here we have what we call our crossover. From here we rock step, and we go back the other direction. Cha, cha, cha. The man crosses with his right, the lady with her left. Rock, step. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, and cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, and cha, cha, cha. So we'll show it to you from the beginning again. We'll switch sides. And we start with a basic 1 rock step, cha, cha, cha. You'll notice the lady's hand is always on top as the man is presenting the lady. Rock step, cha, cha, cha. Here's our 4th one. And cha, cha, cha. We go back into a basic cha, cha, cha.